Eh, ayoko na lumabas dyan. Putang ina mo ka. Putang ina mo! Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Lay, isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na The Cabin Factory. So, ginagad to? At hindi gumagalaw yung ulo. Well, ba't naka-off yung jump scares? Di ba kailangan to? What the f... Bro, di pa nga nagsisimula yung game. O sige na, let's start na. Ito na ba yung factory? Hello po. Oh, hindi na naman humihinga yung PC ko. Inspect the whole cabin. If hunted, turn back immediately and press danger. Shift to run. Paano ko malalaman kung danger? So, I think magi-start siya pagka in-open ko tong ano na. Wow! Ba't nag-iba yung... Hello? 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 Kuya! Kuya? Paano ko malalaman kung haunted? Ano yan, kuya? Apple, saka... Bro, grabe naman yung hangin, Lods. Oh. Hello po. Wala ba akong i-interact dito? Bahay ko ba lang talaga? Ito. Parang gumagalaw. Or baliw lang ako. Kaya nga parang may bagyo eh. Parang wala naman. Oh! Kita ko sa chat! Twitch voted. Clear and danger. 50-50. Bro, that's so cool. So, I think clear to. Clear. Hey, may points kayo sa baba. May points kayo sa baba. Ang cool. Alright, so. Bro, bakit ba nagdidilim?
The brutal fire that burned a family alive took place in an isolated cabin in the woods. 2 bodies were found calcinated on Sunday evening after 3 hikers noticed a huge column of smoke and immediately called 911. When emergency crews arrived just minutes later, the flames were still burning. According to our sources, a family of 4 lived in the cabin, a mother, a father, and their 2 children.
Oh.
The police confirmed the bodies found on the scene belonged to the parents. The 2 children, a 10-year-old little girl and her 6-year-old brother, have not yet been found in the surrounding areas. The chief of the fire department announced the search operation will continue and said she has hopes of finding them alive. It is still unclear how the parents got trapped inside their own cabin, but the police have found clues that may indicate the fire was intentional. A criminal investigation is ongoing.
Oh. So, hindi ko pa din gets kung paano ko malalaman kung danger or hindi.
The brutal fire that burned a family alive took place in an isolated cabin in the woods. 2 bodies were found calcinated on Sunday evening after 3 hikers noticed a huge column of smoke and immediately called 911. When emergency crews arrived just minutes later, the flames were still burning. According to our sources, a family of 4 lived in the cabin, a mother, a father, and their 2 children. The police confirmed the bodies found on the scene belonged to the parents.
Asan yung
The 2
isa?
children, a 10-year-old little girl
Asan yung
and
isang
her
bata?
6-year-old brother, have not yet been found in the surrounding areas. The chief of the fire department announced the search operation will continue
Yun na yung
and said
cabin.
she has hopes of finding them alive.
Naman.
It is still unclear how the parents got trapped inside their own cabin, but the police have found clues that may indicate the fire was intentional.
Ano ba
A
tong
criminal
horror game na to?
investigation
Hindi
is
man lang
ongoing.
nakakatakot. Ba't 50-50 na naman? Mag-vote naman kayo! Clear. Tingnan nyo si Cory, ang dami ng points, oh! Ay, nako po. Ah, ganun uli. Oh, pare-parehas lang. Kuya! Ay, masih baba. Oh, pwede ko pa ba silipin yun? Ay, teka, may pinto ka pala dito. Ayoko na! Uy! Ba't bawal ako lumabas? Fuck! Fuck! What? Bro! Bro! What's happening? Bro, saan ako? Anong gagawin ko? Uy, bata! Tulungan mo ako. Bata! Uy, ano gagawin natin? Putang ina, anong gagawin ko, gago? Bro! Palabasin niyo na ako. Bro. Huh? Anong gagawin ko? Bro. Bata! Gagawin ko. Bro, this cabin is danger na. Bro, ang dilim din ng game. Pwede ko ba taasan? Oh my god. Ay po. Ano? Bro, okay. Naririnig ko siya. Bro. Okay, yung monster doon, visit yun. Ano lang siya, like, tunog lang yung dug. Like, oh my freaking god. Pare-parehas lang ba tong cabin na to? Like, alright, sige. Tao po. Hindi naman nakakatakot. Acting lang yung kanina. Acting lang yun. Ate! Doing good. About here. Okay, it's good. Ikaw, teddy bear, good. Ikaw, good. Itong pinto na to, nabubuksan ba to? Ikaw, kuya. Okay ka pa dyan? Good. Mabait siya. Huh? Haunted ba to? Danger to, right? This is danger. Wait, ano? Is it clear? Bro, I think that's danger. It's danger, bro. Man. Anong walang movement? Ba't may sinampay na dito? Kanina wala to ah. Ikaw, bear. Ikaw. Ito, feeling ko, in some point, paglapit ko dito, gugulatin na lang ako neto. Kakalapit ko sa kanya. Okay. Doing great. Ikaw, kalbo. Ikaw, bata. Alright, I think safe na to. Very basic. Ang dali lang pala neto eh. Uy, palabasin mo ako. Bro. Uy, palabasin mo ako. Uy, palabasin mo ako. Bibigyan kita candy. Bigyan kita. Ano, pamasko, 500. 500. Ayaw mo 500. Ayaw mo 500. Sige na, 1,000. 1,000. Sige na, 1,000 na. 1,000. Bro. Hello? Ate. Wala, bata ako. What? Ha? Naging bata.
What do you think you'll find outside? Absolutely nothing. You want to leave, Greta?
What?
That's totally fine. But your brother will stay here. And he will not be happy when he hears you abandoned him. Leave and abandon your poor mother.
Huh? Okay, bumalik na ako sa pagiging matanda. Eh, ayoko na lumabas dyan. Putang ina mo ka! Putang ina mo! Fuck! Oh, fuck! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Ayoko! God! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sino nag-vote ng clear doon? Sino nag-vote ng clear? Come on! Oh my god! Oh. Oh. Watch party lang dapat eh. Ba't 1 na naman? Bro, bakit 1? Ba't umulit ako ng 1? 3 na to kanina. Oh wait, dapat sunod-sunod? Na tama? Ah, bro. Shh. Tao po. Parang hanap-hanap lang pala anomaly to eh. Basic. No, hinabol mo ako kanina, no? Huh? Nakakatuwa, no? Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa yung paghahabol mo kanina. I appreciate it. Ikaw, goods ka dyan. Ikaw, goods ka dyan. Ikaw, goods ka dyan. Ikaw, goods ka dyan. Okay, I think clear tayo. Clear. Ah! Anong nagalaw yung mug? Bro, kahit any movement means the cabin is haunted. Ulit na naman. Sige, okay lang yun. Basic lang. Isa pa lang naman. It's just 1-1. Okay yun. Oh, gumagalaw ka? Hmm? 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 Wala naman gumagalaw. Ito, walis. TV. Laruan. Baka yung sinampay gumagalaw. Ba talaga? Or... Bro. Wala nga nag-vote ngayon, no? Clear. Hey, tama! Clear. Basic. Basic lang. Speedrun. Hello? Sige. Well, hindi naman kayo gumagalaw, right? As long as na hindi kayo gagalaw. Pag lang kayong gagalaw, okay. This is the thing. Parang clear to. I think it's clear. Yeah, I think it's clear. It's clear, it's clear. It's clear, it's clear. Okay. Basic! Binibasican ko lang tong game na to. Ano ba yan? Okay, wala na yung mga ano, mga bears and other stuff. Okay, ikaw. Alright. Alright. Walang gumagalaw. Ikaw hindi ka gumagalaw. Bro, ba't ba kasi nakaganto to? Nakakatakot. Alright. Parang basic lang to. Para lang ano to, mortuary assistant. Mortuary assistant na... Anong tawag doon? Yung observation duty. Para siyang ganun. Parang wala naman. I think clear ulit to. Clear. 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 Ah! Aabutin ako ng siyam-siyam dito. May gumagalaw dun. Bro, abutin na naman ako ng siyam-siyam sa isang horror game. Speedrun, speedrun. Okay, okay. Ano ba yung mga gagalaw? Like, yung mga... Ito ba? Gagalaw yan? Ikaw ba, ate? Gagalaw ka? Nabal ako nung kanina, nakakainis ah. Ikaw, kuya. Kaya chat, sabihan nyo din ako kung nakakita kayo ng any kind of movement. Kayo. Ito, wala. I think clear to. Clear? Joke lang. Wait, so yung cabin, same cabin lang siya. Like, wala, hindi siya nagbabago. Yung sa facecam, malikot. Bro. Okay. Ayo, what is this? This is new. Parang ngayon ko lang to nakitang carpet na to. Okay. Oh? Parang ngayon ko lang din nakita to. Baka sa labas, pati sa labas. Wala ba ako titignan sa labas? Kasi ang hangin dito, Lods, ha? Okay, di naman gumagalaw yung mga things dito. Yung TV, yung tape, yung bata. Bata. Ikaw, wala. Alright. Alright. Sabi ko na eh. Sabi ko na eh, may binabalak to eh. Ano? Di ako takot sa'yo. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Ito ba? Oh my God. Sabi ko na may masamang balak yung babae na yun eh. Wala yun. Oh, tapos may dagdag na sa option. Clear danger, tas death. Punyeta. Hindi, acting lang yun. Okay. Ate? What in the world is happening? Hindi naman gumagalaw, right? Hoy ate! Ikaw kanina mo pa ako hinahabol. Ayan asawa mo, kalbo. Ah, may asawa ka naman pala. Ba't ako pa yung hinahabol mo? Gumagalaw ba siya? Or ako yung gumagalaw? Yung character ko yung Oh. What? Bro, kawawa yung mga bata. Man. I think clear to. At least may humahabol sa akin. At sino nagboto ng death? Like, come on. Wala ba kayong tiwala sa akin? Okay. No moving. Basta walang gumagalaw. I got this. Speedrun. Wala ko dyan. Alis na agad ako. Danger. You dum-dum. Uy. Tiwala. Oh! May kalbo! Kalbo. Teka lang, kalbo ha. Titignan ko muna to ha. Okay, kalbo. Kalbo. Ba't nandyan ka sa labas? Uy! Gago!
How can an empty presence enable and inflict
Huh?
so much suffering?
Ha? Babalik pa ba? Ano yun? Doing good naman. Wala pa masyado gumagalaw. Bro, I think clear nga to eh. To be honest, para sa akin clear. See you. This one is clear. Clear to. Tingnan niyo ako clear. Danger? Seryoso ba, chat? Pucha, itatras ko kayo ngayon. Putang ina na! Kayo talaga eh, pahama kayo eh. Hindi na tayo umabot ng pang-apat. Oh my God, bahala kayo. Okay, teddy bear. Oh, nawala na yung kalbo dito. Kalbo! Oy, asan yung kalbo dito? Where's the kalbo? Hello? Wala yung kalbo, Lods. Clear. At may nagboto. What the f... Ha? Okay, I have to chill. I have to chill. It's just a game. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, game lang to. You have to chill, okay? Oh my god, man. Hindi na ako mag-aano nun. Hindi na ako magdadalawang isip lumabas. Hello pa. To, tropa ko na to si ate. Well, parang hindi talaga cute yun. Pero sige. Kaling, 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 kaling. Kaling, 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 kaling. Kaling, 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 kaling. Delivery. Kaling, 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 kaling.
911, what's your emergency? I see, sweetie, but I'm sure they love you. Being a parent can be really hard. Is there anything I can help you with? Are they there now?
Hey! Whoa! 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 I'm going out. 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 Oh my god. 5 na lang. Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. 5 na lang. Alright. 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 Wala naman. Wala pa masyado nangyayari. Bata. TV. Wala. Okay, goods. I think clear. Please, please. Bro! Paano? Oh my god. Feel ko tatagal ako sa game na to. Kuya. Good. Bata. Good. Okay, it's good. Alright. Clear. Alright, next. I think clear. I think hindi clear. I think hindi clear. Kala mo ah. Kala mo ah. Kala mo ah. Be. Mabilis ako ngayon. Babae ngayon. Kalbo. 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 Putyang ina mo. Putyang ina mo. Alis na ako. Alis na ako. Alis na ako. Alis na. Oh my god. What? 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 Huh? Huh? Well. Next! Next. Alright. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Bro. Hindi ka pa gumagalaw. Pero bro, bahala siya dyan. Bro, di ko napapasukin yun kung ganun man. Halfway there. Halfway na tayo. Okay, so Hindi naman na ako natatakot, nag-acting lang ako kasi kailangan ko kasi ng content sa YouTube eh. Hindi ako natatakot tapos walang content, di ba? I think good. Please be good. Please be good. Please. Oh! Kasama din ba to sa tinitignan? Yung nasa labas? Pucha, man! Ay, wait. Andito si... Bahala ka, thumbnail ka sa akin. I think clear yun. Clear yun, di ba? Ay! Ha? Baka pati labas. Oh, wait. This is new. Bago to ah. Okay. Hey! Putak ina mo! Polter yun, polter. Polter yun, polter. Okay. 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 Ate! Kalbo. Ay, ito ulit. Grabe, nakabaliktad. Buti hindi na ako nagulat dito. Pero parang clear to, no? Clear, right? Ah, yeah, clear. Danger? Bro, hindi ko magets yung game kung kailan ako magde-danger or hindi. Even though na upside down na tong cabin na to, kailangan ko pa din siya i-explore. Bro, look! Oh my god. To be honest, parang ano siya sa akin ngayon eh. Parang clear siya eh. Bro, it looks clear for me. Bro, feel ko clear. Do you think it's clear? Oo, upside down, pero wala naman gumagalaw. See? So, okay, so, ang ano lang talaga dito is yung movement. Like, pag may nakita tayong gumagalaw, saka lang siya magiging danger. Pero kung, even though, yeah, like yung cabin kanina, di ba, naka-upside down siya. So, wala naman gumalaw. So, hindi siya danger. Okay. Okay. Galit talaga ako dito sa babaeng to. Kanina pa ako hinahabol eh. Double check. Like, malalaman ko kunwari, danger siya, tas sinabi ko clear. Like, may option na malalaman ko kung ano yung anomaly. Okay, good. May progress tayo ngayon. Okay, wala naman na. Okay, looking good. Hey, yo! Danger! Lumutang yung remote. Man. Onti na lang. Okay. Bro, di na ako mapag-commentate kasi natatakot na talaga ako. Like, really. Okay. Hindi, ano lang yun. Para lang yun sa YouTube ko. Para pagka in-edit ko, o di ba may ikakat ako. Tapos papakita ko yun, sabihin ko, uy, nagugulat ako, ganito, ganyan. Di Di ba? Hindi ka bang ngingiti ngayon? Well, hindi siyang ngiti ngayon. Be clear, please be clear. Clear, please. Please, please. Dalawa na lang! Oh my god, please! Alright. Alright. Danger, 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 danger! Please, last one. Please. Please, isa na lang. Just one more. One more. One more. One more. Is this clear? Ito na ba yung clear na last? Please. Clear. The moment of truth. Clear! Yes! Basic. Ah, ayun na yun. Eh, ayun na yun. Basic naman pala tong game na to eh. Alas na? Good job. It's time to go home. Your cabin factory family. Liwanag ng buhay. Well, what in the outro is that? Oh. Huh? No! No, 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 no. No! Nakauwi na ako eh! Okay. So, ayun lang yung horror game natin for tonight. Sub ka na sa akin para ma-notify ka sa mga next video ko. Like mo na din kung nagustuhan mo. Sana makita pa uli kita sa mga next videos ko. Bye-bye!
Mag-isa lang ako, ang hirap maghanap ng kakampi.